Hey you guys, welcome back. This little DIY video is so simple, it isn't even worth putting the whole rolling credits on that I usually have. Okay, great, that's enough of the credits. In this video, while my wife is taking my son and a dog for a walk, I'm gonna hopefully spend 5 minutes installing this Frunk liner. Bye you guys. Enjoy your walk, bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. It's available from Suncoast Parts, and I like having it inside my Frunk because when I picked up my 996 in LA and I drove from LA back to Minneapolis, I had all my luggage in the front, or the Frunk, and as I was going up and down on the road, there were definitely a few times when I heard a ga-dunk, ga-dunk, and I didn't do any damage, but I've heard that you can. So for my road trip that's coming up in a few weeks' time, 58 days and counting, I wanted to do the Frunk liner. So let's get this thing installed before the wife and the kid comes back. So, I'm not even sure if you can see me. Here it is, and it comes with these little pins that you just, or little plastic poppers, you just push through and it holds it into place. So let's get this in. There it is, guys. So a quick review before my wife and kid get back. There is the Frunk liner. It fits in perfectly, and as ever, just like any DIY project, there's always one screw left over. But these are the little poppers that go in and hold it into place. See if you can see it okay. So there it is, guys, a really quick video today. And in the background, just a couple of other things that I'm gonna be installing in the next week, just tiny jobs. I've got the carbon air filter, which needs to be replaced. I've got some new side markers to be replaced because my ones keep falling out. And then I think it's time for some new wiper blades. I've never changed wiper blades. I imagine it's pretty easy. But there it is, rock and roll. And now I think I can hear. Let's open it up. I think I can hear my wife and my son Luke coming in. Hi, Luke! Hey! Hi, bud! You want to come sit in the car? Yeah. Oh, yeah, thank you. 1 glove. 2 gloves, thanks, bud.
You did great.
Good job, Lukey. Bye, guys.